What is this? Hey, it's Kimberly and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited because I just got my waveformers. Okay, so I saw this video. Video I saw was by Amber Anash. I'm not even sure, but YouTube recommended. Her hair looked fierce, so I was like, what is going on there? So I watched the video. She had these long waveformer things in her hair and her hair turned out amazing. I think it's kind of similar to the curlformers. I clicked her link to eBay, but it was all sold out by then or whatever, so I started doing a little digging around, and I also was not about to wait a month for my order, so I literally just went on the hunt on eBay searching around, and I found a link that seems right. I ordered it. The pictures are so weird because it'll keep showing the curlformers, and I was like, that's not what I want. I hope I open this and it's not that. I still end up getting it from China, but again, I'll share my link that I found in the description box. It's the right one! Yay! So I got 3 packs. Let me pull up the price for you. I paid $26 for 3 packs of these, 36 at the 50 centimeter length, aka about 20 inches. And then each one comes with this extender thing. I'm so excited. Here's what it looks like in real time. So make sure you get this one. On the top here, it's like a little bit rubbery. This part feels more of like a vinyl plasticky whatever. It stretches out, it crinkles back. It reminded me of, I don't know if anybody else grew up with it, but I called it the S-Wave, but it was basically like a hot iron that had like a little swoopy that you would clamp down on top, maybe 2 to 3 prongs, and it would make your hair like all S-Wave cute, basically what this is gonna do. I love that growing up, so I'm definitely down for this.
I don't feel like this would be annoying to sleep in.
Stay tuned and I will get right into it. Okay, hey guys, I am back and I just washed my hair, so I'm going to split this into some sections. I think I'm actually going to do 3 sections as opposed to 4, just so that the back of my hair stays in line and I don't get like a weird part down the middle. But anyway, you saw the products that I'm going to use, so I'm just going to go all the way around my hair with my leave-in, my rice bran oil for my strands, my Jamaican black castor oil for my scalp, and then I'm going to go individually and start using the waveformers. I'm so excited. I hope it comes out well. For the purposes of you guys being able to see, I'm gonna start in the front right here. So I've got my first one and all that. We're gonna figure this out as we go. So I already applied everything to my hair except for my styling cream. So I decided to go with Devacurl, the styling cream, because this is thick kind of and has like a lot of hold, kind of like a gel, but it's not a gel. I actually still use this for twist outs and stuff, and it has really good hold. So I think the hope is that I get longevity with these, and my hair is like pretty wet. I assumed that that's what it was supposed to be like, so I feel like this is enough for 2. So we're gonna do our first 2 right here. Nice and detangled. Now add my Devacurl. You're supposed to thread this through. And I can see how this could already be a problem with my hands because my hands are getting sticky. And then, all right. So I saw that people said that they were twisting their hair. Ooh. Go this way. Hooking it. Okay. Okay. Hooking it like so that it's in, and then feeding it through. Oh, I see. Oh, I just lost it. This is gonna be, okay. You know what it is? You just have to like get the right holding. So let's try that again. I don't know how to like do it so that it'll pull through. Maybe I have to bunch it like this. I don't know. Okay. This is gonna take a while. All right. So we're here. I pull it taut. I'm pulling it up. What the heck? Why is it not going through? Oh my god, what am I doing? What am I doing? Okay. Okay. We got one. We got one. That was harder than I thought. My hair stops on this one about here, so yeah, that 30 centimeters one wouldn't have been good. But I see what they mean where you want to try to keep it at the top. It stays pretty sturdy in, like it's not going anywhere, but let's move on to the next one. I gotta like get my hands right, so I don't know how to keep it together. So I'm just putting it like this. I should have watched someone's hand positions, but I didn't. She's detangled. Spread it there. Okay, now how can I figure this out? All right, so she's in. Now I have to figure out, oh wait, if I go like this, how do you, oh. This is confusing. I have to give up. I don't want to ruin my hair. What the heck? How do you get the right handle? We're gonna try this. So we're gonna wrap my hair around. Maybe it's too thick for this world. And try again. So, oh. So we're in. We cover. What is happening? Oh my god. I can't figure it out. This is a mess. This is literally a mess. Back, and I'm annoyed. I just really twisted it super thin like that. I'm gonna try again. This is harder than it looks. And the person that I'm watching their video, it just looks like they just like hold it open and feeds it through. Oh my god, we finally got it. Oh my god. Maybe I really do have to twist this. This is gonna take forever. Gosh. All right, let's try this again. We just got two. Everybody making it look easy and it's not. Okay, I eventually got that one. Oh my god, I got that on the first try. Like, and there we go. Okay, we got a system. I'm not gonna lie, I was very close to being like, you know what, maybe we don't need to do these. At least these come out fast. You know, if you get into a situation like I keep getting in. As my hair, ow, dang, this hurts. I don't, nobody's mentioning this, but this is like painful. Maybe I'm weak. Anyway, as my hair is starting to get longer, it's my little ends are starting to stick out. So there's that. So I imagine the top of my half of my hair will be sticking out the bottom of it, but maybe I'll tuck it under. I don't know. I just decided to make this longer. I added another one of the endings. I don't know if that's gonna do anything, but I'm just trying to see if it'll help me gather easily. I just wanted to come back on to say beware. I just did this one. Oh, I just lost it. I just did this one and it took me forever and I couldn't figure out why it wasn't going through. It was even perfect with the stick. And then if you look closely, see it's like unfinished. So my hair was getting caught in those little grooves and I couldn't tell. So it's like, it was getting caught in this little net part. So just make sure before you're adding each one that it's not unfinished, because I was like, why does it keep getting caught? And then I realized, like, let me just turn it around, and then I saw that it's unfinished. I got 3 packs, and I feel like I almost could have got 4 if I wanted to do really small sections, because now I'm kind of running out. All right, you guys, good morning. It is the next day and I am ready to take down these waveformers. Last night's sleep was rough. All I heard was scalp definitely felt like it was pulled. It's kind of like, I felt like I almost got braids or extensions, and it's that first night of sleep that just feels like a hot mess. I kind of forgot about that because I've only gotten braid extensions once in my life in 6th grade, but that feeling came right on back where it's just like your head kind of hurts. So I slept like this. This is just my giant scarf. I put a headband around just to keep it in place. So let's take it down and see. I left the back out because I didn't feel like putting anything else on it. Or for more comfort, I think it actually wouldn't be bad to just blow dry your hair or air dry and then do a little blow drying to do it and then take it out for the night. Oh, that feels good. I'm just gonna slide it down. Okay. She's cute. Can you see? There we go. It's so trippy to me how it looks like I got my hair relaxed at a salon. I haven't seen my hair look like that in a while. This is one side so far. My hair feels light. Oh my God, feels so much relief right now. Like, whew. I was actually hoping for a little bit of length. I was hoping it's gonna sit like this, but you know, shrinkage, it's gonna happen. Anyway, let me take the rest of these out. My hair feels super soft. It doesn't feel sticky or anything like that. It feels nice and moisturized. I had 36 of these in my head. We're done. Basically, this looks like the S-Wave or wand curls if you don't want to use heat on your hair. That's what I would say. I'm just going to go through and separate just a little. The only thing is that, I mean, maybe because I didn't use a gel, is that I question if these will stay together. I like this. I feel like I'm wearing a wig. It's so funny. It wasn't that bad. I may have just, it just was painful, and it's like, you know, do I really need to do all that? But will I say it lives up to its hype? It's cool. Like, I definitely think it's nice, and it's a nice little alternative. I like that I didn't use any heat. I actually really like that I didn't use any heat, and I'm able to get a style that looks very much as if I have like some relaxed hair, something going on. If you have thick type 4 hair like I do, you guys saw what I went through. There is an absolute learning curve. I would say twist the top of your hair, have small sections, have a good amount of product, and it's just trial and error. My hair is absolutely dry though. I do like that. and I hope it stays. I mean, there we go. Let me do a little back if I didn't already. Okay, hey guys, I just wanted to come back in because I always like to see how long styles last. So I just wanted to show you, it's Thursday now, and you can kind of see that the definition, it's also kind of rainy today. The definition in the curl is kind of dying out. That is my honest to God truth on these waveformers. So let me know down below if you guys are going to try them out, if you have them already. If you have any suggestions or other products that you think that I should try out or other challenges, let me know down below, and I will see you in the next one.